Aisha, please.
There's a question from Germany. The philosophy of homeopathy has been explained with the help of Christian religious terminology, like the dogma of the original sin, etc. Therefore, mixing up medical phenomenon with religious thought, which in my view is not permissible, how would Islam explain the philosophy of the mechanism of miasm and psora?
Who has asked this question?
Tariq Gutat.
Huh?
Tariq Habib Gutat or something.
I do not accept the premise on which the question is asked. Homeopathy has not been explained with reference to inherited sin. It's a completely different thing. Inherited disease is something else. Like the inherited characters of the forefathers, some diseases go deep into life, and from then on they begin to surface from time to time. So this is not universal. No disease is universal. But the concept of inherited sin is universal, which is wrong. So temporary happenings because of accidents or by follies of others, which may continue to flow into the bloodstream, to be carried to some generations to follow, begins not from Adam but from that person who committed that folly. So it cannot be related with the concept of inherited sin. So he is absolutely wrong in this question.